Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check if iPhone battery has been boosted? Well, to know if an iPhone battery is boosted, artificially inflated health, then check the settings and then simply go ahead and head into your battery. So let me just go ahead and search that real quick right over here. And once you've done that, simply head into battery health and charging. So right over here. And once you've done that, if you go ahead and see that your battery health is near to 100 but you have a lot of cycles, then it is most likely that they have boosted the battery. However, if it adds up, so for example cycle counts up to 600, could have like 87 to 90, right? So this does count up. So it's just like that. If it counts, then you will go ahead and understand it. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.